Hi, I'm Terry Ord from the School of Biological Earth and Environmental Sciences. Many of us are now using asynchronous or pre-recorded video lectures as part of our courses. These lectures do come with problems, however. If you're using something like Echo 360, have a look at your analytics. When I did so, I was shocked to see that even at the start of my course, only a portion of students were bothering to watch my lectures in full. By the end of the course, this had dropped to less than 50%. There is a solution, however. You can use H5P to create interactive video lectures. There are two formats that you can use. The first one, simply take the same content that you would normally present in a 50-minute pre-recorded lecture, break it up into smaller pieces of 1 to 2 minutes, and then sandwich those around H5P activities that are designed to reinforce the learning concept that you're presenting in those shorter videos. An alternative way of doing it is a more complex, self-directed or choose your own adventure style video lecture. These are particularly powerful for introducing concepts that require problem solving or alternative viewpoints. You introduce the concept or the problem using a short introductory video, and then you offer students alternative perspectives or alternative ways to solving that conceptual problem using alternative sequences of your videos. Don't be worried if you're not familiar with H5P. The PVCE do know how to create these interactive video lectures for you. Both of these interactive formats will improve engagement substantially. Virtually all of your students will watch all of your lectures in full, but more importantly, it improves active learning through things like self-reflection. So it will improve your learning outcomes as well.